Hi subscribers. If the AD of Mitsubishi PLC is damaged, that is, if it does not read the analog value, then how to repair it? Let's start. As you can see, its model is FX2N2AD. Now I will show you its connection terminals. As you can see, voltage and current terminals are power indication, and these are offset gain. Now I will show you its electronic card. I have already opened it. And I have also found its fault. Supply was coming on its input side, but the output was not coming. A DC to DC converter was installed on these terminals. That is why it was not reading the analog value. Please check after changing the converter.